I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video I'm going to show you how to review posts that you're tagged in and decide whether to show them or hide them on your Instagram profile. So first we'll click on our profile icon on the bottom right here. Then we'll click on the three lines on the top right hand corner. Then we'll scroll down to how others can interact with you and then click on tags and mentions. Now if we scroll down a little bit here in the how you manage tags, you can have on the toggle here to manually approve tags. And then if you've been tagged, you can click here to review which ones that you have been tagged in. Let's go to, let's see, pending tags. These are some posts right here that I have been tagged in that clearly I have not added to my actual tag section on my profile. You can choose the select option on the top right and select multiple to approve or remove and hide any of these options here. Now you can see all of those posts that I just added are now in my tag section on my Instagram profile.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.